Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from Fingerstyle Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play 3 fantastic songs that are perfect for you to learn if you're just getting into fingerpicking, all within 10 minutes. Hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe. If you'd like the full lesson and the guitar tabs for any of these songs, then just follow the links down in the description. The first one that we're going to learn is from the film Once. It's called Falling Slowly and it's by Glenn Hansard and Marketa Aglova. Alright, so let's break this one right down. Hold down a C chord and start by playing the 2nd and the 5th string together. Then you're going to play the 3rd string, and then you're going to play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then again to the 3rd string. Okay, so you've gone. And then you're going to play the open top string, back to the 3rd string, back to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then back to the 3rd string. Okay, so you're always going back to the open 3rd string and keep the C chord held down all the time and just bring in your pinky. So put that together and you've got letting all the notes ring into each other. From there we go to an F sus2 chord. So keep your 1st finger held down on the 1st fret on the 2nd string. Also bring in the 3rd fret on the 4th string. Now you might want to play that note, but on the original recording you're going to be playing the 1st fret on the 6th string. So I use my thumb for that. So I'll play this 6th string in the bass, but if it's too hard, don't worry about it. Just play the 4th string in the bass as opposed to the 6th string and it's going to sound just fine. Okay, so with your fingers held down like that, play either strings 2 and 6 together or 2 and 4, whichever you're comfortable doing is fine. So either way, play those two, and then again it's always to the 3rd string. So 3rd string after that, and then the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, back to the 3rd string open, and then 1st fret on the top string. So bar that 1st finger down, back to the 3rd string, open that top string back up, play it, and then back to the 3rd string. So slowly you've gone. Okay, so far. So nice. And then we go back to C, we play it exactly the same as before, so that's nice. And then back to our F sus2. However you want to play it, 6th string or 4th string in the bass, your call, but play strings 2 and 6 or 2 and 4 together. And then for the rest of the bar, you're just playing 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string. So just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So there you go. Put it all together once more. You have played this. If you are new to fingerpicking and you want to get off on the right foot with it, then sign up to my course, The Complete Guide to Fingerstyle Guitar Beginner Level. This course, it starts right at the very beginning and it carries you right the way through to an intermediate level. It leaves no stone left unturned and it really lays the rock solid foundations that you truly need in order to be successful with fingerpicking. By the time you've gone through it, you're going to be able to play with ease, with confidence, knowing that your technique is perfect. If you don't believe me, just check out all of the other testimonials and reviews that people have left before. Check it out. You can even try out the course completely for free. Links down in the description. The next one that we're going to learn is by Pink Floyd. It's called Is There Anybody Out There? I'm sure you know it. It goes like this. So for this one, hold down an A minor chord and then play in your picking hand strings 4, 3, 2, 1. and then 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. So you do that on your A minor chord, and then from there you're just pushing this fourth string, second fret up one. So use your third finger for that. It's going to the third fret on the fourth string, and then put your second finger on the second fret of the third string. From there, do exactly the same pattern in the picking hand. So remember, it's 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. And then from there, this bass goes up one more fret to the fourth fret. I know it's a bit of a stretch, but the other fingers remain the same, okay? And that top string's still open. But the same in the picking hand. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. And then back down again, okay, to the second chord that we did. But the same in the picking hand. So far you've gone. And then back to your A minor and just play strings 4, 3, 2, 1. And then lift off the fourth string to open, and again 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then just add the third fret on the fifth string, play that, the fifth string, and then third string, second string, first string, and then this bass on the fifth string, third fret goes down to the second, and again play your strings 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, and then A minor. So you can just play the fifth string, and then the song will of course go on from there, but it's just the first few bars of it. So here you go, you've played And the last one that we're going to learn is one of the best songs I can think of that's going to really help develop consistency in your finger picking. It's a fantastic, timeless song. Again, I'm sure you know it. It's Dust in the Wind. So first off, let's look at the finger picking pattern for this. We play strings 2 and 5 together, and then we play strings 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3. So 2 and 5, and then 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3. So just practice that over a C chord to start off with. Nice and simple once you've got the pattern down, because then all we have to do is tweak the chord. So you do it on a C chord, and then a C major 7, so you just lift off your first finger, and then you do the pattern on a C add 9 chord, so that just means bring your pinky down on the third fret of the second string, and then back to C. Okay, so that is C major 7, C add 9, and back to C. And then we go to an A sus2, so that's just an A minor without your first finger. So you do your pattern on that, and then A sus4, so that just means, again, bring in the third fret on the second string. You do your pattern on that. To a regular A minor, you do your pattern, and then to A sus2, you do your pattern on that. So that is A sus2, A sus4, A minor, A sus2. And then we just keep it going. So then it's back to C add 9, C, C major 7, C add 9, okay, and then keep going, A minor, A sus2, A sus4, and then we'll stop on A minor there, okay? So once you've got the pattern down, you then just need to learn the chord progression. So here it is once more from the start, slowly, C, C major 7, C add 9, C, sus2, A sus4, A minor, A sus2, back to C add 9, and then C major 7, C add 9, A minor, A sus2, A sus4, and then A minor. So you can have a lot of fun with that one. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to play these songs. If you want to learn how to play more fingerpicking songs, then head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com. We've got hundreds of them over there. And sign up to my course, The Complete Guide to Fingerstyle Guitar Beginner Level. You can try it out completely for free to see if it's for you, but the chances are you'll probably find that it takes your fingerpicking to a whole new level. Thanks so much. I'll see you again.